Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed the properties of interior and exterior angles of a polygon and we have solved some problems related to that. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems of exercise 12.1 and the properties of quadrilaterals. Let's move on to the next. Question number 4 from exercise 12.1. Find the size of each exterior angle of a regular polygon if its number of sides is as follows. Option A, 5 sides. Number of sides is given. You have to find the size of each exterior angle. Yeah, we already studied the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. You have to find the size of each exterior angle. Therefore, the size of each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by, here the side 5. So 360 divided by 5 is equal to 360 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 36? 7 5s are 35. Then balance 1. The rest number is plus 0. 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 72 degree. The size of each exterior angle is 72 degree. Next, option C, 18 sides. Here, the number of sides are 18. We have to find the size of each exterior angle. So, sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, the size of each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by, here the number of sides are 18. So 360 divided by 18 is equal to 360 divided by 18. How many 18s are there in 36? 2 18s are 36. The next one 0. So the answer is 20 degree. Next, question number 5. Find the value of x. It is given A, B, C, D. Here angle A is x, angle B is 71, angle C is 85 degree and angle D is 2x. We have to find the value of x. Yeah, we already studied the sum of the interior angles of a inside polygon is n minus 2 into 180. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Adding all the angles, 85 degree plus 71 degree plus x plus 2x. X plus 2x is equal to, n means number of sides. Okay, here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here n is 4. So n is equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 into 180. So adding all the angles, 85 plus 71 plus x plus 2x is equal to 4 minus 2 into 180. 85 plus 71, 85 plus 71, 5 plus 1, 6, 8 plus 7, 15. So 156 degree plus x plus 2x, 1x plus 2x, 3x is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. 2 into 180. So 156 degree plus 3x is equal to 2 into 180, 360. So 3x is equal to 360 degree plus 150 degree. So minus 156 degree. 3x is equal to 360 minus 156. 360 minus 156. Here 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we take here 10. Here 1 plus 5. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3x is equal to 204. So x is equal to 204 divided by 3. 204 divided by 3. How many 3s are there? 20. 6 3s are 18. Then balance 2. The next number is 4. 6. How many 3s are? 24. 8 3s are 24. So the answer is 68 degree. So the value of x is 68. Next, option B. Next, option B. We have to find the value of x. So, the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. So adding all the angles, x plus x here perpendicular. So 90 degree. This is 90 degree. It's also 90 degree. So adding all the angles, x plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to n minus 2. N is equal to 5. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. X plus x, 3x. 3x plus 90 plus 90, 180. 3x plus 180 is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. 3 into 180. 3x plus 180 is equal to 3 into 180 degree. 180 into 3. 0 into 3 is 0. 8 3s are 24 balance 2. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. 540. 3x plus 180 is 540. So 3x is equal to 540 minus 180. 540 minus 180, 0. Here 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we take here 14. Here 1 plus 4. 14 minus 8, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. So it's equal to 360. So 3x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 divided by 3. 360 divided by 3, 120. So x is equal to 120. Next, question number 6. Find the unknown angles x and y in each of the following figures. Here, A, B, C, D figure is given. The angles are also given. We have to find the value of x and y. Given AE and BC are parallel. Means the angle 68 and x are co-interior angles. Given AE and BC are parallel. Therefore, AE is equal to AE plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Angle A is 68. So 68 degree plus angle B is x. 68 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 68. 180 minus 68. Here 0 minus 8 is not possible. So here 10, here 1 plus 7. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1. So x is equal to 112. 112 degree. Next, we have to find the value of y. Yeah, we studied the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. So, adding all the angles 68 plus 112. Here x is 112. 112 plus 115 degree plus y plus 140 plus y plus 140 is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Here how many sides are there? 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 into 180. Adding 68, 112 and 115. 68, 112 and 115. Adding 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Balance 1. 6 plus 1 7. 8, 9. Here 2. 295. 295 plus 140. 140. 5. 9 plus 4. 13. Balance 1. 4. 435. 435 degree plus y is equal to 5 minus 2. 3. 3 into 180. So 180 into 3. 0. 540. 540. 435 plus y is equal to 540. So y is equal to 540 minus 435. 540 minus 435. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we get 10. Here 1 plus 3. 10 minus 5. 5. 3 minus 3. 0. 4 minus 5 minus 4. 1. Is equal to 105 degree. So y is equal to 105 degree. So x is equal to 112 and y is equal to 105. Next, question number 6. Find the unknown angles x and y in each of the following figures. Figure is given. We have to find the value of x and y. First, we have to find this angle. Like PA. Okay. First, we have to find this angle. Let it be A. We already studied this angle A plus 102 is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Okay, A plus 102 is equal to 180 linear pair. So A plus 102 is equal to 180. Reason linear pair. A is equal to 180 minus 102 is equal to 78 degree. A is equal to 78. Here A is equal to 78. Okay. Given AB and CD are parallel lines. AB and CD are parallel lines. So angle X and angle A are alternating interior angles. AB and CD are parallel lines. So angle A and X are alternating interior angles. So this is 78 means this is also 78. Why? Yeah. Given AB and DC are parallel lines. So angle A and A is equal to angle X is equal to 78 degree. 78 degree. X is equal to 78. Then we have to find Y. Okay. Here angle Y, here Y, 102 and 78 are exterior angles. Okay, we already studied the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So, sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So adding all the angles y plus 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 102 plus 78. 102 plus 78 means here x. Okay, 78 is equal to 360 degree. Y plus y plus y plus y 4y. 4y plus 102 plus 78, 180. 4y plus 180 is equal to 360. 4y is equal to 180 minus, 4y is equal to 360 minus 180. 360 minus 180 is equal to 180. So 4y is 180. Then y is equal to 180 divided by 4. 180 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16, then balance 2, here 0, 5 4s are 20. So is equal to 45 degree. So x is equal to 78 and y is equal to 45. Next, types of quadrilaterals. First one is parallelogram. So parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. The opposite sides. One pair, the another pair, they are parallel and equal. Then opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. The diagonals bisect each other. So diagonal is also diagonal. The diagonals bisect each other. The next one is rhombus. Rhombus sides are equal and parallel. All sides are equal. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So diagonal is perpendicular 90 degree. Okay, perpendicular to each other. First one parallelogram, the second one rhombus. Next one, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle shape. The opposite sides are parallel and equal. The opposite sides are parallel and equal. It's one pair. This is another pair. All angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. Then diagonals are equal. Diagonals. They are equal. The next one is square. Square. The sides are parallel and equal. All sides are parallel and equal. All angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. Right angle means 90 degree. Next one, trapezium shape. One pair of opposite sides parallel. One pair of opposite sides parallel. Next one, kite. It's a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal adjacent sides. Two pairs of equal adjacent sides. Then the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonal. It's another diagonal. They are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Today we have completed the exercise 12.1 and the properties of quadrilaterals. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.